most, if not all, parents in saying that I want my children to receive the best education possible. Safety and security while they are at school is one of the most basic needs in my mind and something I think about a lot. The proposal as part of this referendum is to move to a 3-point security check-in process at all of our school buildings by adding secure entry vestibules, ensuring that only those people who should enter the school will be able to enter, meaning a safer learning environment for all of our kids.
As a longtime District 21 resident and a former principal in District 21, I can tell you that one of the key components of a strong education is to provide an environment that is optimal and conducive to learning. Nearly half of all District 21 classrooms do not have air conditioning. We dealt with this issue while I was a principal. This can present a real focus issue for our children when temperatures in classrooms can get hot. This referendum seeks to ensure all classrooms are air conditioned by the start of the 2019 school year.